Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this Samsung. Firstly, go into Play Store and tap on the search bar. Then you need to type in iOS Launcher and install this free app from this developer. After that, select Open. Now you need to wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, select While using the app and Allow. Now finally click Home button and choose Settings. Then select Apps, click on Choose Default Apps and tap on Home App. To apply iOS Launcher, click on it. Then select Got It, and as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my Samsung. But you can always switch between your layouts by going into the same settings and tapping on your Home app or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!